This is the hull after it's been soda blasted, and before the blisters have been filled. You can see that there's going to be a lot of work that has to be done yet. Once the hull has been cleaned, the holes are filled with an epoxy filler. And then it has to set for a few days. Once set, then it's sanded, and hopefully to have a smooth bottom. The rudder required quite a bit of work, as there was some osmosis in it and some nicks which have been removed. The black garbage bag is pulled down along the rudder so that the heat from the sun will help to draw the moisture out of the rudder. Like this.